Well, here we are in the shop. Figured I'd come out here this weekend just to do something different. Kind of questioning my sanity for taking on such a project as this, but here we are. I'm not going to give up. We'll keep going, get her done. I always say whatever it takes, we just keep going. So, update. My corner's all done. She's good and solid. Looks pretty good. The water can get out there. I'm very happy with that. The outcome on that. Next time, if there is one on this car, obviously it's going to need an upper and lower cowl panel, but not this time. I've got my corner piece on, my shock tower, so that's ready now. I'm just waiting on CJ Pony Parts to deliver my my fender apron and my upper fender extension. I wish they would get it to me. Unfortunately, I ordered them and they said one of the parts is out of stock, so got my patch on down here, so that's okay now. Looking alright. Everything's good and solid now up in this corner. A little lumpy there with the seam seal on it, but again, that's underneath the fender extension. No one's going to see that. I'm not too worried about it. I got my tops welded on to my torque boxes. That's good to go there. And got a shot of epoxy prime on them, so they're good to cover. I kind of put some Pour 15 around some of the cracks and stuff. I got Pour 15 inside my rails and my cross members, and I got my my floor pans ready to go in over top, so they're all prepped and ready. And we got the other side as well, same deal. Got the patch on there, and that's good heavy stuff, and I'm pretty happy again with how that turned out. Happy really with everything on this old bird. She's going. Got the Pour 15 in those rails as well, as far as I could reach. I mean, you know, there's only so much you can do. I wish you could get inside of all of them, but she's looking good. Once this paint dries, maybe in a few days or so, I'll get those floor pans welded back in and get everything painted up. These guys, just like everything else that they did on this car, you can see here, they basically just put little stitches on the friggin' floor pans that they didn't butt weld. Everything's overlapped, so whatever, hey. So once I get my front pans put in and welded all the way around, and I'm gonna put a couple plugs down onto the frame and stuff too, I'm gonna have to strip all this all the way around and weld everywhere they didn't weld. Like, look at this shit. Little fucking dots on there. Jeez, man. These guys. Oh well, you know, and then at the end of the day, you gotta wonder if they knew in their heart that somehow somebody somewhere was going to be redoing everything they did anyway, because it was bad. So either way, a lot of the stuff that they did wrong saved the heck out of me, like the fact that they didn't attach the outer wheel houses to the new quarters they put on. That ended up being perfect because it allowed me to install new wheel houses without having to, you know, grind everything off and make a hell of a mess. So, whatever. It is what it is. We're making more and more progress all the time. I wish I'm going to probably deal with a different parts supplier in the future, potentially. Not happy right now with the CJ stuff. I'm happy with the stuff. I mean, it's as good as you're gonna get. It's the same stuff you'll get anywhere else, I'm sure, but I don't have time to be waiting 2-3 weeks to get these friggin' parts. 4 weeks, you know, and that's before they even ship, let alone getting here. So, but everybody whines about everything, and I'm no different than everybody else. So, either way, we're looking in good shape for having a good solid driver. That's all it'll be. It ain't a flipper. It ain't like I've said this before. I'm not out to rip anybody off. I'm just doing the best I can for the absolute least amount of money that I can, because I way overpaid on the car. So I'm just trying to make it so it's at least worth what I'm going to have into it when it's done. All right. We'll see you next time.